Hey everyone, if you want to make your design stand out with stylish titles, eye-catching captions, and creative typography, Pixlr offers several text effects that can help. In this video, I'll show you how to add text effects in Pixlr from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Pixlr website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, create a new project or open an existing image that you'd like to edit. Next, select the text tool and click anywhere on the canvas to add your text. Type your title, caption, or message, then choose a font that matches the style of your design. After adding the text, adjust the size and position so it's placed exactly where you want it on the image. Now explore the available text customization options. You can change the font color, increase or decrease the size, adjust spacing, and modify alignment to improve readability. One of the most popular text effects is adding a shadow. Apply a shadow effect to help the text stand out from the background and become easier to read. After downloading the image, review it one final time to make sure the text looks sharp and professional. For the best results, keep text easy to read, use effects sparingly, and focus on strong contrast between the text and background. And that's how to add text effects in Pixlr in 2026. With a few simple adjustments, you can create professional-looking typography that makes your designs more engaging and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.